Hey everyone, welcome back to Outright Systems. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to install SuiteCRM 8 on an Ubuntu Linux server using WinSCP and the terminal. Let's get started. First, make sure your WinSCP is open. Navigate to the directory where you want to install SuiteCRM. Open the terminal and begin by entering the following command to switch to root user, sudo su. Then, use the cd command to navigate to the directory. For example, cd/var www.html. Now, go to the official SuiteCRM download page in your browser. Right-click on the download button, select Inspect, and copy the download link URL. Switch back to the terminal and use the wget command to download the package, like this, wget download-link URL. Once the download is complete, go back to WinSCP and refresh the directory. You'll see the SuiteCRM folder appear. Now, unzip the downloaded file using the following command in the terminal. Unzip SuiteCRM 8.x.x.zip. Next, open the SuiteCRM instance in your browser using the Apache server. Update the Apache configuration to point to the public directory, then restart Apache. After this, go to your browser and load your SuiteCRM instance. If you see a warning about certain directories not being writable, let's fix this by running these commands in the terminal to set the correct ownership and permissions. Sudo chown-r www-data www-data SuiteCRM. Sudo cmod-r 77 SuiteCRM. Once permissions are fixed, reload the page in your browser. Ensure that all checks, including server checks, PHP checks, and permission checks, are marked as passed. Click the Proceed button to move to the configuration page. Now fill in the configuration details, enter the URL where SuiteCRM is hosted, such as https://yourdomain.com/public. Provide the database user password, host name as localhost, database name, and database port, which is 3306 by default. Select yes to include sample data and populate database with demo data. Add the admin name and create a strong password for the SuiteCRM admin account. Once everything is filled in, click Proceed to complete the setup. After the setup is complete, log in to your SuiteCRM instance with the admin credentials you just created. Navigate to the About section to verify that SuiteCRM 8 is installed successfully. Let's now explore the demo data. Head over to the Accounts and Contacts sections to see the preloaded sample data. Finally, check the User Management section to review the user settings. And that's it. SuiteCRM 8 is now installed and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.